Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna do a Foxy eyes inspired look, or I don't know how you call it. It's been going on all over like TikTok and Instagram and like everywhere. It's super viral, so I thought I would try to recreate it. I followed a Shannon video and yeah, I loved how hers turned out, so I tried to recreate it. I'll link hers down below if you want to see how it looks. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look, please keep watching. I just realized I forgot to use some concealer to make this part like sharper, because I see that Shannon here used some concealer like right here, and I've already set with my powder, but I'm gonna do it anyway and let's see how it comes out. I'm gonna take my Francation palette, Desi X Katie Morphe collection, that's a mouthful. And I'm gonna start with the shade Necessary. This is like one of my favorite shades. I cannot find anything today. Oh, I left like half of my brushes downstairs. Why is this happening to me? Okay, I'm just gonna use what I have. I can't be bothered to go downstairs because I actually cleaned my brushes for the first time in like ages, and yeah, they're downstairs. But that's fine. I'm gonna use my Morphe E13 brush, this one right here, and I'm gonna pack Necessary just right here in the crease. And I'm gonna start by adding it in the inner half, and then because I want like a very sharp line, I need something to make it sharp, so I'm just gonna use this, and don't laugh because it actually works, and I'm gonna make a sharp line. Well, I hope it works. I've seen it on internet. A lot of people do this, so if it worked for them, it should work for me. See? There you go. Yay! Okay, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other eye. I don't know if you guys can actually hear the birds, but yeah, there's a lot of birds like around here, and they're very happy because spring is here, and they're ruining my video a little bit, but that's okay. I don't mind them, so I hope you don't mind them either. So she used like a brown liner just on the outer corner, and then a brown liner also in the inner corner, and then she went it with black. I'm gonna take a eyeliner brush, this one from Essence, the Precise Eyeliner Brush, and I'm gonna go in with this brown shade, Jeans, and I'm gonna create a line on the outer part of my eye. I think I went a little overboard. And I'm gonna take a blender brush and blend it out. This is the Zoeva 221 brush. And then I'm going in with Jeans again. And I'm also adding it in the inner corner. But I'm not gonna connect it, so I'm just gonna add it like right here in the inner corner and make a very sharp, elongated eyeliner. So something like this, and then I'm gonna clean up with some concealer. A bit of fallout, but that's fine. And I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other eye. Okay, so now that we're looking a little bit like this, I'm gonna take my brown Kat Von D eyeliner, this one right here, and I'm just gonna follow that same line. And actually before doing that, I'm gonna blend it out a little bit more on this side because I did not. I'm using my 221 brush again. So I'm gonna add the eyeliner and wish me luck. See how it goes. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Huda Beauty concealer in shade Nougat, this one right here. This one is very, very fair, and that's what I actually want because I want this line to be like super sharp. I'm going to add a tiny bit on the back of my hand, and I'm going to take that same brush I used before and clean up everything. So let's see if this turns out okay. You don't want to get it in your hair like me and go all the way up. Just like that. Okay, I think that kind of did it. Maybe add a bit more and blend it out. And I'm gonna do the same on the other eye. I was also supposed to cream contour, but I forgot. So I'm not sure if I should do that on top of this powder. I didn't add a lot of powder, but I'm gonna try a bit, and if it gets cakey, I'm gonna just stop. So I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty cream contour in shade Fair. This one right here. I love this. Whoop, I almost dropped it. Today it's been a very dropping things day, so just bear with me. I love this contour so much. It blends in, like it blends super well, and it's so beautiful, and this is like the perfect shade for me. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit. Blend it out with my beauty blender. It's not getting very tacky, but I don't want to use too much, so I'm just gonna add a small amount on the other side as well. Okay, next up I'm gonna take my Hourglass bronzer. This one is in the shade Radiant Bronze Light. This one right here, this is my favorite one. And I'm gonna take a fiber brush, my brush from Better, and just go over that bronzer. My boyfriend is talking on the phone downstairs and I can hear everything, and I really hope it's not gonna be heard in this video because I'm gonna kill him because I told him I'm filming, and he's like, yeah, don't worry, I won't make any noise, everything will be fine. And I can hear him like yelling on the phone. So yeah, that's not very convenient, but anyway. I'm gonna use my Hoola bronzer, and I'm gonna do quite a sharp bronzer. I'm gonna do a very sharp contour. Okay, so I'm done with the contour. I'm actually gonna take my eyeliner again, and I'm gonna connect these two inner part with the outer part very like with a very thin line, because I can see like where it ends and then where it begins again, and it just doesn't look good. So I'm just gonna connect it very thinly. I think that's way better. It's not like you can see a major difference, but if you look up closely you can see it, and yeah, I think it's better like this. Okay, now I'm gonna add my mascara, and in her video she didn't use any bottom mascara, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of mascara on my upper lash line. It is so warm today, you guys, like you have no idea. I think it's like 24 degrees. I can actually tan and feel like I'm at the beach, but unfortunately I'm not. That'll be very nice. Okay, that's perfect. Next up is highlighter. So I'm gonna take my Jouer highlighter in Skinny Dip, if I can open it, and highlight to the moon and back using circular motions. That highlighter is just so beautiful. This is like my favorite highlighter. I always try new highlighters, but I always go back to this one. I just have to, it's so beautiful. I'm also gonna highlight my cupid's bow, my chin, you know the areas, as always. I think I added way too much. Crap. Okay. Crisis averted. I'm also gonna highlight my inner corners, as always. Okay, next up is blush, and I'm gonna use this blush from Paul and Joe in shade 106. It's like super beautiful. It has like this, it's like a box, and you open it up and you get this like puff, and then here you have the blush, and they're like little pearls, and you also have a few of them that are like kittens. Like, see? I don't want to like ruin it, so I'll be very careful. And yeah, it's super pretty and I love it. So I'm gonna use my Vegan Shimmer Tulip brush, this one right here from Shannon from AlexBeauty. And I'm just gonna use it on the apples of my cheek, not too much, just a tiny bit. And I also add a tiny bit on the nose, as if to look like you're a bit sunburned. I never use the puff because it adds too much. I always use the brush, but the puff is very pretty. Next up are lashes. So I'm gonna use my Luxie lashes, these ones right here. These are 3D lashes and they're super voluminous and pretty. I'm gonna apply these lashes off camera and I'll be right back. The lashes are on, and what I did was I actually, how can I explain it to you? Towards the end, I actually didn't stick them down very close to the lash line. I actually stick them a little bit like more up, so it gives like a more cat eye effect. And also, I'm actually gonna elongate this eyeliner a tiny bit more. And I made a mess. So I'm actually gonna clean it up because it's way too thick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I fixed the eyeliner, sort of. It's still a bit wobbly, but it's fine. So she used like a very peachy shade. I'm not gonna use a peachy shade because I think I want to use like a goldish shade. So I'm gonna go in with my lip liner from Colourpop in the shade BFF, and I'm actually gonna overline a lot. I don't know if I should use like a very dark lip or use nude. I think I just want to use a nude lip line. Oh, sorry, a nude lipstick. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna go with nude. So I'm gonna take my liquid lipstick from Jouer in the shade Noisette. And then I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Paris Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sweet Tooth, this one right here. And then I'm gonna also add some gloss. I'm not sure if I should add lipstick. I think it looks really pretty like this. So I'm gonna add some setting spray. I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray. And I'm also gonna try and cover up somehow my hair because I don't want setting spray in my hair. This is so hard. That worked, sort of. There's nothing that I hate more than having setting spray in my hair because then it gets like super greasy, and I just washed it today. So if I like were to put setting spray all over and it would get in my hair, I would probably have to wash my hair again like tomorrow. And I don't like washing my hair so often because it's not good for my hair. So yeah, that's a little trick that I do. Sometimes I actually put a towel on my hair, but I don't have a towel here. But that's what I usually do. So I'm just gonna pat everything in. And I think we are done. I don't think I'm missing anything. These were like the techniques that I followed from Shannon's video, and I thought it was pretty cool. The look is really, really cool. Oh, I forgot one thing. I actually forgot to add this like nude liner, and I'm actually gonna add it right here, like inside. So it gives like the effect of a more cat eye. By the way, do you guys like the vibe of like not wearing mascara on the lower lash line? I think for this look, it looks actually really cool and it makes the eyes like super cat eye. I'm not sure if I would do this on a daily basis because I love mascara on my lower lash line. But for this look, I think it's actually really, really cool. And I love the way it came out. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was really fun for me to recreate it. Also, I had my inspiration from Shannon, of course. She's my favorite YouTuber. So yeah guys, I'll see you in the next video. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and ring the notifications bell. I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye!